VoiceOver in today's digital age, making payments has never been easier. With just a few taps on your smartphone or clicks on your computer, you can instantly pay for goods and services. But have you ever wondered what happens behind the scenes when you make a digital payment? Let us dive into the fascinating world of digital payment systems and understand how they function from initiation to completion. VoiceOver. It all starts when you decide to make a payment using a digital platform, such as a mobile app or a website. You might be buying groceries online, paying for a subscription service, or sending money to a friend.
Once you enter the payment amount and hit the pay button, your journey through the digital payment process begins. VoiceOver, the first critical step is authentication. The payment system needs to ensure that the person initiating the transaction is indeed who they claim to be. This is crucial for preventing fraud and unauthorized access to financial information.
Authentication can be achieved through various methods such as passwords, biometric data like fingerprints or facial recognition, or even a two-factor authentication that might send a code to your phone.
VoiceOver, once you're authenticated, the transaction moves to the processing stage. Here, the payment system checks if you have sufficient balance in your bank account or credit limit on your card to complete the transaction. This involves communicating with your bank or credit card provider through secure networks. Then, the payment request is routed to the appropriate financial institutions. This could include banks, credit card networks, and payment processors. VoiceOver, after processing, the transaction can either be approved or denied. Approval comes through if all checks are met, such as sufficient funds and valid payment credentials.
If there is an issue, like insufficient funds or a security concern, the transaction will be denied, and you'll receive a notification explaining why.
VoiceOver, throughout this entire process, security is paramount. Digital payment systems employ multiple layers of security to protect your sensitive financial information.
Encryption is a key technology used here. It scrambles your data into a code that can only be deciphered by the intended recipient, preventing hackers from intercepting and stealing your information.
Additionally, continuous monitoring systems are in place to detect and respond to suspicious activities in real-time. VoiceOver.
So, there you have it, a behind the scenes look at how digital payments work. From the moment you initiate a payment to the final transaction approval or denial, each step is designed to be secure, efficient, and user-friendly. Next time you tap your phone to make a payment, you'll know exactly what's happening behind that simple click.